What I'm going to show you today is the making of a sugar cream pie, and a good pie starts with a good crust. The flour is automatically dumped into a mixing bowl, about 100 pounds. Comes in, and then we add the shortening, and today we're adding lard. That's our shortening of choice, is pure lard. And what these machines are doing, they're emulating what you would do at home on top of your counter. Their fingers moving that dough around. The pie dough is taken from the table, as this gentleman's doing, and then it's logged and put into the front of this pie dough machine. And then this machine we're looking at makes the pie shell. After the dough is rolled twice, it creates a sheet of dough, and then it's laid on top of a pie pan. Under each sheet of dough, there is a pie pan. So what we have after the sheet of dough is put on the pan is a crimper head comes down and forms that pie shell. The finished pie shells are then conveyor belted across, switch directions, and then they're lined up at the front of the oven. The pie shells are lined up 14 across. You can see them automatically being filled. After the product is cooled down to room temperature, then they're each domed, shrunk wrapped, and labeled.